Do you want your closure to be looking this way? We needed a neat, well ventilated closure and don't know how to go about it. In this video, I am going to show you how to easily ventilate the best closure for your wigs. I'm going to show you everything step by step, guiding you as a beginner for you to learn all you need to make that perfect closure. First thing you need to do, once you get your closure, no matter the size of closure you're using, you have to leave a little by the two sides and also down. You see that I actually mark out the upside. I have 1 inch that I marked out. That particular 1 inch, I'm going to do a different thing. That was why I left that. The reason why you need to keep a little space, half inch by the two sides and down of your closure, is where your pin have to be. Where you are venting and also when you are doing the wigging. So when you cut off the weft from your hair, you need to smoothen it to remove the short ones. You don't need the short ones, so you have to remove it. For this particular closure, I'm making use of the diagonal pattern, not diagonal brick pattern. Okay, this is diagonal pattern. It's one of the best way to ventilate your free part closures. For this one, we don't need the to mark out our center patching, because with this type of, when you use this method of ventilation, you can part your closure any style you want. Is it center? Is it curve? Is it two sides? You are free to do whichever pattern you want whenever you vent your closure using the pattern I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, so this is the diagonal pattern of ventilation. So what it simply means is that I am skipping diagonal lines, not vertical lines. Okay, and I'm using the vertical one line one hole, meaning I am skipping one diagonal line. Then when it comes to the hole, I skip just one hole. For those who doesn't know how to count their holes, whenever you look the knot on your space lace, you see each hole, each demarcation is a hole. So when you skip one demarcation, it means you skipped one hole. So if you skip two demarcations, it means you skipped two holes. So if you watch what I'm doing in this video, you will see that I am skipping one demarcation, which means I'm skipping one hole. Then coming to the lines, I'm skipping one diagonal line. You can call it diagonal line, you can call it slash line. Remember, this is not the brick pattern. The other closure I made that I showed you guys, I used the brick pattern to do that, but this one I'm using the diagonal pattern to do it. So when you watch close, you see that I am skipping one diagonal line. If you don't know which one is diagonal line and which one is horizontal line and which one is vertical line, let me know in the comment section. Maybe I'll make a video to explain all that, although I have a video already on my channel on how for you to note your diagonal lines, your vertical and your horizontal line. I can share the link to that video for you. If you don't understand, just let me know in the comment section. Like I said, when you use this pattern of ventilation to do your closures, this is a free part closure. You can part it anyhow you want. Okay, you can part it anyhow you want. At this point, I hope you guys are getting value from what I'm showing you. If you've gotten any value, let me know in the comment section, and please do like this video, share it with your family and friends. The comment section is here for you all to ask questions if you have any question at all. And again guys, if you watch, you see how I'm controlling the strands of hair I pick. If you want to get that tiny knots just like this one, controlling the strands of hair you pick is very important. So guys, this is actually part 1 of this video. I'll be dropping the part 2 soon. For you not to miss it, hit that subscribe button if you're here to join the family. Turn on notification bell so that once I upload that video, you will get notified. If you have questions, please use the comment section. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the second part.